Bonjour, Gourmet Friend! Welcome back to the program. For this episode, I am having a rest. I am leaving my young friend Andrew Haworth from the restaurant La Provence de Mer in Geelong, preparing a fresh oyster consommé. Alors, what's the origin of the oyster consommé? Yeah, it's around the 16th century that French chefs start to develop a broth, clear broth for the king. Then, with a combination of oysters, they create a delicacy, the consommé with oysters. Today, we have the privilege to be invited again by Andrew in his own kitchen for a very special event. Alors, Andrew will demonstrate one more time his culinary talent in preparing this special oyster consommé. That could be a good idea for you, Gourmet Friend. Preparing a nice and delicate entrée during the Christmas festivities. Let's jump into Andrew's kitchen.
Okay, we're going to make oyster consommé. Okay, so I'm putting in Sydney rock oysters, which I believe are the best oysters because they're native.
As Andrew, Sydney rock oysters are native to Australia, and they are known for their creamy texture and for their sweeter flavor. On the other hand, the Pacific oysters are originated from Japan. Big difference. They grow very fast and offer a milder flavor, okay, and a softer texture.
So for 2 days, I've been making a beautiful stock, and now it's time to prepare and serve. So I'm putting Sydney rock oysters in, 4 in each one. And then I'm going to pour the consommé on the top with a little bit of chive. And we will have a beautiful fish oyster consommé. Okay, so on top, I'm putting a little bit of fresh chives. And then I'm going to serve at the table, which is where you'll see us next. Okay. You want to take a photo of that before we put the...
Beautiful, Andrew.
Okay, so I have here a stock. Now I'm going to call it consommé, but because I use salmon, it's not completely clear. But it has been clarified, which is when you put vegetables in and a little bit of egg white, and you let it rise to the top and it takes the impurities out and clarifies the stock. So now we're going to serve. So you have oysters and beautiful chives, and you just do this and the oysters puff up, and that's it. Magnificent dish.
Beautiful, Andrew. Fantastic.
Chablis for the lady of the house.
Just a tiny one, thank you.
And for the chef, the teacher,
The cameraman.
and the cameraman, and for
the chef. The chef of the day.
Fantastic.
Thank you, Andrew. We'll
you.
have a beautiful meal now again.
All right. Pepper.
Taste it, please.
Okay, let me taste it. Oh, it's magnificent. Beautiful flavor, subtle. The oysters are very plump and beautiful. It's magnificent.
It smells lovely.
Okay.
That sounds good, Andrew.
Good. Thank you, Gerard.
Thank you, Andrew. I am very proud of my friend Andrew, who started to work with me in my restaurant in Geelong at 20. Soon after, he became my partner. So we did not receive any Michelin star, but we got excellent review in a good food guide written by Claude Farrell from The Edge during our time in our restaurant in Geelong. We will soon celebrate a 40 years friendship anniversary. Okay? If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. Please also subscribe to our humble channel to encourage us to create more French recipes like this one. Thank you for watching this video and see you very soon. Bye now. Au revoir.